made Irish potato with egg for my baby. I'm done boiling it. I have to smash it together. After smashing it, I have to add the egg yolk and I have to press everything together. You can add any of your baby milk to the food. So I added 3 spoons of my baby milk and I mix it with hot water and I poured it into the potato and mix everything together. You guys need to see my baby reaction on this food. I mean, she almost threw everything she ate out. I was surprised because she likes food. So I was even thinking she's going to like this food, this mixture, but almost she shocked me. Though she tried it, at least this is her first time of trying Irish potato with egg and milk together. Well, she tried. But I have to give her her normal food. And you guys can see this she was opening her mouth to eat it. So this is where I was missing her food. And you can see the way she's eating it. So that is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys in my next video and stay safe. Bye.